So I have shaved my eyebrows before. This is not the first time, but this is the first time that I have gone this far. Like this one is almost right in the middle of my eye. This one's, they're almost the same, but yeah. So this is the first time that I have gone this far. So I'm going to attempt to go from this to decent. And you see how I have no hair right here? But every time I raise my brows, it's indented. That's how my eyebrow, it's weird. Anyway, so yes, let's bring you closer. So first I'm gonna use Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden because it has tint. And I'm kind of running low, I'm gonna have to squeeze it out. A lot. And I'm gonna use this brush. I like to use eyeshadow primer before doing my brows because I feel like the brow pomade and shadow will stick onto my brows better. So I'm lining down here, but I'm also gonna drag it up here where I'm going to apply the product. And I'm not gonna do much of an eyeshadow or makeup look because this is just to go take my son Isaiah to the dentist. So like I said, this is more just to look decent. I don't want to show up like this and people are gonna be staring at me, which normally I actually wouldn't even care about. I'm one of those people that doesn't really care for the most part about people looking at me, talking about me and all that. So but anyway, now I'm gonna use this brush and NYX Tame and Frame eyebrow pomade, black, and I'm going to draw my brow, but I don't want it to be too dark. You know what? I'm not even gonna say anything because it might be dark and I might like it. So that's a bit extreme. What are you doing? You silly. I'm trying to make it like natural, but at the same time snatched. Are you mocking me?
Yeah.
I'm doing my makeup. Mm-hmm. I'm grabbing very little product at a time because I still want them to look natural, so I don't want them to look too dark. Oh, I like that. And by natural, I don't mean like, I don't want people to think. Well, actually, I don't know. People might think this is my natural brow. What I mean, not necessarily on the shape, it's just the darkness of it. I don't even make sense. I mean, I don't want it to just be a block. When I use pomade, sometimes it's like, if you use too much, and I've done it before, I'm very, very guilty of this. I look back at my pictures and my eyebrow is literally just a block of pomade, you know? It's really dark. You can't see the texture. You can't see the brow hairs, you know? So, I don't want that. I want it to look like that's my actual brow basically. You know, some people do have really dark brows and it goes with their faces. I feel like it doesn't really go with mine. You know what I really want to try? I really want to get that Milk eyebrow pen that basically draws on, it has like 3 prongs. When you use it to draw, like it draws little hairs. It draws your hairs and they look like feathery. I really want to try it. I really want to buy it. I messed up right here. I'm just gonna cover it up with concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use ColourPop No Filter concealer. So this is supposed to be a trend on TikTok, that if you shave your eyebrows or cover them up and then instead of doing them this way with a like really deep arch and more high, it gives you fox eyes. And I really think you need to do your makeup like this too. It's supposed to give you like a lift, facelift. I didn't actually know that it was a trend. I just saw I think it's Likely Makeup, Jordy. I think I saw her do her eyebrows. I saw her do her eyebrows and her makeup like that, and I wanted to try it immediately. So now that that's done, now the last thing to do is get some eyeshadow. Some brown or black eyeshadow. So clean your little brush or use another one if you have another flat brush. I guess it's like a eyeliner or eyebrow brush. I'm just gonna use Naked 2 by Urban Decay, and I'm just gonna use black. So just, this is what I do, watch. This is literally, that's it. So I don't grab a lot, because all I'm going to do is basically just make strokes, like hairs. And it's dark. It looks a bit patchy, and I feel like the eyeshadow, in my experience, the eyeshadow helps it look less patchy. And I only do it at the end, and then kind of brush it in. So then clean your brush and then do it again to the other side. Let me know in the comments if you can actually see the difference in what I'm doing with the shadow, because it's kind of hard to show. It's kind of hard to see with this light, I think. So that's it for my brows, and that was basically the tutorial. For some reason I can never get my brows to look the same. They look the same, but then I watch the video back, and I can see how different they are. Isn't that weird? Because I really try to make them look exactly the same, or very, very like similar, like sisters. But it's really hard. Okay, so I did the rest of my makeup off camera, and I didn't put lashes on I didn't want to put lashes on because I just wanted it to look just a bit more natural. This tutorial was really more about my brows anyway. So I hope you guys liked it. I am satisfied with the end product because I can't believe I just shaved my brows all the way the way that I did, and I can still make them look this good. I actually really like them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.